Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. I am outside in the sun. I'm going to be doing the Lodge recipe of the month, which is the bratwurst grilled with after being cooked in beer. So it calls for using the Sportsman Pro, which I have one, but I have not even checked it out yet. I know I was going to make a video comparing it, so hey, we'll take and cook some on it tonight. And I have Old Faithful right there. So we'll probably be cooking up stuff on both. So let's start opening this thing up. I'm going to try to do it one-handed. And there she is. As you can see, it's about the same size except that it's a little bit flatter on the ends. So I think that's going to it should add a little bit of cooking surface, but it seems to be about the same width. So I'm going to go ahead and set this down for a second and we'll pull it out. All right, guys, here she is. She's out. I must have put it together because it doesn't come all together like that. So what you have to do is you have to put it together here and here. You have to make sure you don't tighten it up too much or it will wobble if you're on a flat surface. My scrubbing table should be fine even if I had it tight. The way this one works is you put your coals in there, and you have your tray that you adjust your draft. And if you look right there, you can see your draft. So if I close it, it's going to take in, have less air. It's just going to be for a slower cook. You crank that thing open, it's going to get air going all the way across to the other hole. If I can get that to focus. Maybe not. But anyway, it opens up to that other hole, so you're going to get a lot of air coming through it. But we will take in this now. I mean, it's a good grill. Everything I've seen on it, they said it's good. The only thing I don't know if I'm going to like about it is if you're doing an extended cook and your coals burn down, you literally have to take the grill off to put more coals in it, where, you know, on the old guy, all you have to do is open that up, drop some more in. But, I mean, it's not a huge deal. But all you got to do is, you know, you can use these little hooks. Get in there, lift it up, throw some on. Now, if you don't have anything on there, of course, you can lift up part of it and then throw some in. But as you tell right there, as soon as I lift it up, it came off of the little channels it has. So it's probably best just to lift the whole thing off, put some more coals in, and then go from there. But there it is, guys. I'll be back later. I'm gonna let it cool down just a little bit, and I've got to cook all of this stuff inside first, but we'll come back and we'll do some cooking. See you later.